For over a century, the photograph was our witness. It didn't argue, it didn't persuade, it simply showed. When history needed evidence, we turned to the camera. A moment frozen in silver, a truth no one could deny. But what happens when that witness starts lying? Today, AI doesn't just edit reality, it invents it. Faces that never lived, events that never occurred, proof that never existed. And in a world built on images, the collapse of visual truth is more than a technological shift. It's a cultural earthquake. Because the photograph was never just a picture, it was trust made visible. 1 o'clock. When a photo could prove a crime, expose corruption, or define history, it gave society a common reference point, a shared reality. Now, that foundation is cracking. A single AI tool can generate a world leader in handcuffs, a natural disaster that never struck, a war that never happened. Each image crafted with surgical precision, each pixel whispering, "This is real." And as the mind struggles to tell real from artificial, the concept of proof itself begins to die. 150. In the digital battlefield, truth has become a casualty. Governments weaponize deep fakes. Corporations build illusions for marketing. Individuals, armed with nothing but curiosity, create viral worlds that spread faster than fact. The photograph, once the guardian of memory, has become a tool of manipulation. And soon, it won't matter what's true. It will only matter what's believed. Because in the age of AI images, perception becomes the new reality. And whoever controls the images controls the narrative. 240. We are entering an era where seeing is no longer believing, where evidence can be fabricated in seconds and innocence can be destroyed with a single upload. The law isn't ready. The media isn't ready. Society isn't ready. Every photo, every video, every visual proof will soon carry the same question. Was this captured or created? And when that question echoes loudly enough, trust, the silent glue that holds civilization together, begins to dissolve. 325. There was a time when an image could stop a war, spark a movement, or immortalize a truth. Now, it can do the opposite. It can fabricate the war, forge the movement, rewrite the truth. The photograph isn't dying. It's evolving. But what it's evolving into may not serve us. Only those who understand how to weaponize illusion. Because when the power to fabricate reality falls into every hand, the battlefield of the future won't be fought with weapons, but with images.